Hey, it's Clark from Bass Antler, and today we got a new gun we're going to talk about. It's the Glock 19 COA. Yep, COA. So what that is, this is the aim point COA on the Glock. Now this is an entirely new system to Glock, and I think exclusively for the next year they're going to run it only on the Glocks, and then you should be able to buy it on something else. But basically they took the Glock 19, and instead of needing all the adapter plates to put whatever optic you want on it, this one is specifically cut for this aim point COA optic. And to remove it, the screws come out of the rear sight, and then you pop that off, and then that dovetail on the front of that optic fits down in there and just pop it right off. Overall, this is going to be a great improvement for all these law enforcement officers and all these agencies that are going to a red dot system. This is a fully encapsulated red dot. Unlike the first aim point they did for the Glocks, this one has a battery tray underneath the bottom of it instead of that compartment on the side of it, so it makes it narrower, slimmer. This same optic will also come on the Glock 48, the Glock 47, the 43X, and the 17, I believe. No, Glock 45. They're not doing it on a 17, only on those 5 options right there. We'll post a picture of that up there on the screen so you can see the available different models, and we're also going to put some of the pictures of the things up there so that you can see the details that go into this gun. So this is brand new. This is the first one we've seen come out. If you look on like PSA or something like that, they don't even have them on their website yet. Alright, this gun's going to run $1,000 right there. So if you're in the market looking for one, Glock 19 with a COA, we got you covered. And then also, touch on this real quick, this is the third P320 Flux we've gotten in. It won't last long. If you want it, go to bassantler.com or give us a call at 478-452-3040.